weeks, the speculators have been waging an all-out war on the American dollar. The strength of a nation's currency is based on the strength of that nation's economy. And the American economy is by far the strongest in the world. Accordingly, I have directed the Secretary of the Treasury to take the action necessary to defend the dollar against the speculators. I have directed Secretary Connally to suspend temporarily the convertibility of the dollar into gold or other reserve assets, except in amounts and conditions determined to be in the interest of monetary stability and in the best interest of the United States.
The investment bank filed for bankruptcy this morning, a shocking ending to a weekend of frantic negotiations which failed to save the company from collapse. Now, after 158 years in business, Lehman is selling itself off in pieces. The stock market dropped by hundreds of points right from the open, equally shocked by the news from Merrill Lynch. Devastated by losses in mortgage investments, the brokerage is selling itself to Bank of America for $50 billion. The worry now is a domino effect. Washington Mutual Bank could be in jeopardy, and insurance giant AIG is gasping from massive losses and scrounging for a $40 billion lifeline. Without it, the company could go under in a matter of days.
You're really that worried about Goldman Sachs and Lehman Brothers?
Yes. I'm afraid the Federal Reserve will eventually or come close to bailing them out. That's what I'm concerned about. And that young lady who says the taxpayers are not in trouble, who's going to pay for that bailout again is the taxpayer.
It's no secret that the California housing bubble has popped with hardships spread wide. Real estate expert Robert Kiyosaki predicted all of this would happen back in 2005, but most people didn't listen.
It's the biggest financial bubble in the history of the world. All markets go up, all markets come down. The market will come back, but right now it's going to be a sled ride down. It might be down for a long time.
To let you know that you may have up to the year 2010 to become prepared. In fact, in this book you will find out why the chances are pretty good that between now and the year 2010 there will be another giant stock market boom. The big boom before the big bust.